welcome back to our channel. We are here in Disneyland Paris, of course, and it's a really sunny day, as you can see, well protected. And we're going to go again into world premiere because some of our subscribers placed a comment that she wanted to see more of the world premiere. So let's go check it out entirely now.
To magic and beyond.
Okay, let's go in. So, world premiere is now where previously the Studio One was. So it's actually the entrance walkway to go to the rest of the park. And it's the first thing that opened in the entire renewal of the Disney Studios going to Disney Adventure World. It's really busy here today, probably because there's a good air conditioning inside. The very first shop is still a jewelry shop, just like before, and the other shop is renewed entirely. I forgot the name of the previous one, I'll put it on the screen somewhere, but the new name is Mickey's Hollywood Boutique. So let's have a look. So, some shoulder plushes here. And then the funny ears. And of course some ears. Can't have a shop in Disney without any ears available. What I also think is a really good thing is that there are all new registers, and there's also now one available for disabled people. So it's lower, so you can pay more easily with your card. You don't have to reach. And of course some pins. These are the newest ones, the fruit ones. Always some very cute children's stuff. They have the most pretty t-shirts. Gustav is sometimes jealous of the children's clothing. If you like to put on a Disney shirt or something, then I really recommend you go check out Disney Fashion Store in the village. It's more targeted to grown-ups, to adults. And of course, it couldn't be called Mickey's Hollywood Boutique if Mickey wasn't represented himself in here. Such a good statue. Okay, so there are some separations here in the store, so you can check out where you want to go. Like there you can see the Mickey and Friends. There you can see the Stitch. When you turn even further, I see Remy over there. And then to the right we have some Star Wars. So if there's something particular you're searching for, it will be easy to navigate this new shop. Marvel. Oh, and Pixar. The shop goes all the way to the back, so it's the entire length of, I wanted to say studios, but it's the entire length of World Premiere. And when exiting this store, you see you come at the very end of World Premiere. Where we previously had in Studios 1 the feeling to be behind the stage of some movies, now it's the idea that you're at a red carpet event checking out a premiere of a new movie. There are still toilets there, just the same spots. Let's have a look at what's to eat here now. Come along. So just like before, it is mainly burgers. You can also get chicken nuggets and vegan nuggets. There's also a children's menu, 2 salads, also 1 vegan salad, and the desserts also in theme of a Hollywood premiere night. So we checked out the burgers before here and they're actually really good. Better than the video polls, much better than video polls. And I think equally good as the burgers we had when it was still Studios. And of course we'll come back here to do our budget to bougie list, but that's still a mile away. So as you can see, we do react to your comments, and we like to see some more comments of you in future videos of us. So if it's something you want us to film, just let us know and we'll make a video about it. And for the rest, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on this video, and we'll see you the next time. Bye!